let us know about food production. In order to fight the menace of hunger and malnutrition, we need crops with greater yield and better nutritive value. The quantity and quality of crops can be improved by modern scientific methods through genetic manipulation called genetic engineering. However, the time-old concepts of breeding plants, either interspecific or intraspecific, to bring out the best hybrid plant in plant breeding programs still remains in vogue even today. Efforts are being made by ICAR, that is, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, and other related organizations in our country to increase food production. A plant breeder strives to get a group of plants, a variety with suitable combination of genes that gives a better yield and improved quality under a particular set of environmental conditions. A single species is a group of assemblage of innumerable number of genetic types such as lines, strains, etc. The strains are tested in various climatic conditions. Successful ones are named, multiplied, and distributed as a variety of cultivation. Example, Oryza sativa CO15, ADT16.